Benadryl, the cough expert with 50 years of doctor's trust. Now brings to you solutions for every cough. Benadryl Cough Formula, Benadryl CR Congestion Relief, Benadryl DR Dry Cough Active Relief. Benadryl Cough Formula starts action in just 15 minutes to provide relief from cough and associated symptoms. The formulation contains an antihistamine diphenhydramine. It also contains ammonium chloride and sodium citrate that help reduce cough, cold, sore throat and associated symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes and other allergy symptoms. New Benadryl CR Congestion Relief has unique triple action formula that thins, loosens and expels phlegm to provide relief from wet cough. The formulation contains an expectorant guaifenesin and nucleotic ambroxol hydrochloride. New Benadryl CR Congestion Relief is a wet cough specialist, ideal for an active lifestyle. Introducing Benadryl DR Dry Cough Active Relief, a specialist suppressant that has an action that reduces the intensity and frequency of dry cough. The formulation contains a suppressant dextromethorphan in lemon-flavored menthol base that provides soothing effect on the irritated throat with a cooling sensation. New Benadryl DR is a dry cough specialist, ideal for an active lifestyle. For relief from cough, trust the cough expert, Benadryl.